Here we are going to have lots of fun because in my house we cook and we eat. Today we are making Mallorcas Puertorriquenas, or as I like to call it, sweet bread. It's a sweet bun made with yeast. Qué rico. And today I'm going to do it with passion and color. I'm going to add my own touch, which is going to be rainbow. So let's get to it. First, we have to whisk together the water, milk, and yeast. Now we separate the eggs. Let's melt the butter, but make sure it is not too hot and not too cold. Just right. Now for the mixing. Start with the butter, sugar, and eggs. Scrape and add the yeast mixture. Don't get scared. It is going to curdle, but it's going to be fine. Trust me. Start adding the flour, 1 cup at a time, scraping each time in between. Continue until all the flour is in and the dough is formed. Once the dough is formed, take it out of the bowl. Knead it with some more flour. Form it into a log and cut same-size pieces to equal the amount of colors you're planning to make. It is time to make the rainbow. Bring in the colors. I have one important tip. Try to keep the color in the center so your spirit fingers don't end up like the rainbow. Finally, we get to the fun part. Time to shape them up into a snail. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo! Place them on a papered and greased sheet pan and cover them. They need to rise once more for another hour. They should be about double the size and pillowy to the touch. ¡Qué rico! It looks pretty delicious, right? Let it snow! let it snow. I can't wait to taste it all. Let it snow, let it snow. I can't wait to taste it all. Okay, friends, this is the end. No more cooking for today. Because it is time to eat it all. Delicioso. Now this is really the end. It's okay. We'll be back with more cooking videos because I love to cook and I love to eat. A comer! Now there are 4 more things you must do before you leave. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to have fun and get by with us. Leave any comments or questions down below. Don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Ding! Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Adios. See you next time. Bye.
I want this one to be the last one, so concentrate. Ready? That's your concentration face?
Yes, stop talking so I can concentrate.
Okay.
Spirit fingers.
Okay.
Wiggly worm. I'm a wiggly worm.
Okay, you ready?
Today. Did you like that today song? I bet you did. Okay. Let's stop recording.